Welcome to this session. Begin by closing your eyes gently now. Take a slow breath in through the nose, and then exhale softly through the mouth. And again, inhale deeply, filling your chest, and then exhale fully, letting the day begin to drift away. So one more breath. Inhale calm, and then exhale release. Let your shoulders drop. Let your hands grow heavy. And let your jaw unclench. The body softens now. The mind quiets. And the heart slows its pace. You've arrived at the moment of rest. The day is behind you now. Whatever was done was done. Whatever was left undone can remain undone. This is your time to heal, to release, and to restore. So imagine yourself seated in a gentle twilight space. The light of the day has faded, but the night has not yet fully come. It's that sacred pause between worlds. The air is cool, the colors are soft, and the world itself seems to exhale. So breathe into this space. Inhale stillness, and then exhale release. Inhale calm, and then exhale peace. Now picture before you a small bowl of water. Its surface is calm like glass. The bowl is here to hold your day, to carry what no longer needs to be carried. So bring to mind the first memory of your day. See it gently rise like mist in your awareness. And then place it in the bowl. Watch as the water accepts it, rippling once, then growing calm again. And now call the next memory. Perhaps a word spoken, a task completed, even a feeling that lingered. Just place it in the bowl. The water receives it, rippling, and then settling, always calm again. And then one by one, bring the moments of your day to mind. The laughter and the worry, the success and the stumble, the voices, the silences, each memory placed gently in the bowl, each one accepted without judgment, each one dissolving into stillness. So pause now and look into the bowl. See how the water shimmers with all that you carried. It's no longer heavy within you. It rests here, safe, contained, and released. So say silently, I let go of this day. I release what no longer serves me, and I am free to rest. And again, I let go of this day. I release what no longer serves me, and I am free to rest. And then once more, I let go of this day. I release what no longer serves me, and I am free to rest. And now imagine lifting the bowl gently. Hold it close to your heart. Feel gratitude for the lessons, the gifts, and even the challenges. Everything had its place, and everything brought you here. And now, walk in your mind's eye to a flowing stream. The water moves slowly, quietly, shimmering in the moonlight. Bend down and release the bowl into the stream. And then watch as it floats away, carrying the weight of your day, drifting further and further until it disappears. So breathe deeply now. Inhale freedom, and then exhale release. Inhale ease, and then exhale peace. Notice how your body feels lighter now. The shoulders are unburdened. The chest is open. The mind is quiet. And the heart is at ease. And now a soft light begins to descend around you now. It's gentle and it's a silver light, like moonlight flowing through your skin. It soothes every muscle. It quiets every thought. And it heals every corner of your being. So let the light move slowly through you, over your head, easing the mind. Across your face, softening the eyes and softening the jaw. Down the neck and shoulders, melting away any tension there. And then through the chest and arms, calming the heartbeat. And then into the belly, releasing every knot. Down the legs and into the feet, grounding you in peace. And you're now wrapped in a cocoon of light. You are safe, healed and whole. And now whisper silently to yourself, I am at peace, I am healed, and I am whole. So again, let the words echo gently. I am at peace, I am healed, and I am whole. And once more, as softer still, I am at peace, I am healed, and I am whole. So rest in this cocoon of light. Let it hold you, let it restore you, and let it prepare you for deep and nourishing rest. So take 3 more breaths together. Inhale, healing, and then exhale, release. Inhale, calm, and then exhale, peace. Inhale, wholeness, and then exhale, rest. And now bring awareness slowly back to the body. Feel the ground beneath you. Feel the breath moving softly. And feel the quiet rhythm of the heart. And when you're ready, open your eyes now. The day is ended. It's behind you now. You are healed, you are whole, and you're at peace. Good work today, and namaste.